All right, guys, Donald Trump is at it again. We've got some breaking crypto news today. I know the market is rough and rugged. We are dealing with some backlash coming from, the news that China is gaining ground in the AI sector. I'm also looking at Nvidia today thinking, oh, man, it's down 17%. This is probably a buying opportunity. When everybody's running for the hills, everybody's freaking out, it's usually a good time to stack your chips. But anyway, I'm here to tell you about what Donald Trump is doing with his company, World Liberty Financial. Now, if you've been following the channel, we have been tracking this wallet, and it is one of the easiest ways, in my opinion, to gain an advantage. We did get news recently from Eric Trump that we could potentially see no crypto capital gains tax on US based companies. So we are looking to add to our positions there across the board with some US based cryptos. But in particular today, Trump made a very interesting move yet again. And you guessed it, it has to do with Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, which has fallen below a $400 billion market cap, currently sitting at $370 billion. Arkham Intelligence all over it. If you guys are not following Arkham, ARKHAM on X, you should be. Donald Trump's project, World Liberty Fi, just bought ETH to the tune of $5 million worth. They are continuing to stack their chips. I've actually been tracking this over on Drops tab, and you can see here what they've got in their portfolio, what their balances are, what exactly the moves they're making are. So check this out. Ethereum now, they've got 75,000 plus Ethereum in this freaking portfolio. Crazy. It's worth $231 million. They're actually down on this investment about 10%. They're down 25 million bucks right now, but they're continuing to add to their position. So what does that tell you? What does that tell us as crypto investors? That tells me that I'm going to continue to hold my Ethereum position, maybe even add to it, especially if we get Ethereum to drop down below 3K. That's kind of what I'm eyeing. But something bigger is happening here. And with the president coming in, obviously it's all hands on deck. We've got a ton of other people in place to make sure crypto flourishes now in the United States. And they're continuing to add to their Ethereum position. So something big is happening behind the scenes. What it is exactly, we don't know. But the great thing about the blockchain is it's public information, it's immutable, and you can't, look at this and say, hey, is this real? It's real. It's happening in real time. We're tracking it. They also hold Bitcoin here. They've got the two top stable coins, USDC, USDT, Tron, Link, Aave, Athena, and Ondo Finance. They're down significantly on their Ondo Finance position. They're only up really on their stablecoin investments. They're down on everything right now, yet they're continuing to add to their position. So I'm looking at Tron, I'm looking at Link, I'm even looking at Athena. And of course, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know how bullish I am on Ondo Finance. Very, very much like Ondo Finance, especially here today with the dip down to 128. So let's take a look at the overall market. What's down? What's really getting hit the hardest here? Onyx coin, which was going parabolic for a while, it's down 37% today. So that could be an interesting play. I made a video earlier about Pepe. I think Pepe is going very underlooked right now. It's undervalued, in my opinion, close to going down here to a $5 billion market cap flat, which to me is a really interesting, position to open there. I'm also liking, some of these other AI plays, the AI sector getting hit hard today. Renders down pretty significantly. Injective down pretty significantly. I still like Avalanche quite a bit. AVAX, one of these US-based cryptos, down pretty good right now. And if you zoom out here, I think there's still a ways to go for its all-time high, 77% down. The all-time high was set back November 2021 at 146 bucks. We're at $33 on AVAX right now. And at some point, in my opinion here, not financial advice, we're going to get an altcoin rally. And if you're under the same conditions, I'm looking at American-based cryptos, right? Actually, if you go over to CoinGecko now, CoinGecko actually made it a category, which I think is really cool. Elon Musk inspired. You've got, here's all your categories. It's pretty interesting. Made in the USA. If you go here, made in the USA, and they sort it by market cap. You've got XRP at the top. It's fallen down below $3 today. You got Solana here. You've got Cardano, Chainlink, AVAX, I'm really liking Chainlink and AVAX and Cardano. This bunch right here, I think, definitely way down. XRP and Solana close to their all-time highs. They've made some rallies. Will we still see some returns? Probably, right? There's a good chance we'll still see some nice X's out of XRP and Solana. But I want to go in here and find Cardano, Chainlink, AVAX, which really have been decimated still. SWI's down pretty significantly now from its all-time high as well. I do like SWI, especially under $4 here. Polkadot has been absolutely destroyed. Polkadot, if you go here, it is way down. We're talking 90% down from its all-time high from 3 years ago at $54. They're sitting at $5 right now and some change. Pretty crazy. Uniswap. I think there's going to be a DeFi push. You've got Uniswap. You've got Litecoin with ETF rumors. Guys, I'm giving you a lot of things to think about. Obviously, you can't buy everything, right? But I'm just encouraging you guys to really look at this list. Aptos, new layer 1, down significantly. Algorand, down a lot. Okay, 88% down from its all-time high. This, to me, a really interesting play. Full disclosure, I just partnered up with Algorand. Super excited about that partnership over on our X space. Render, one of those AI plays, it's down pretty significantly. Near Protocol, the largest AI play by market cap. It's a US-based company, guys. Down big. It's a $5 billion market cap. The official Trump meme coin down significantly today. It's sitting there right around Near Protocol's market cap, a little over $5 billion right now. There are a lot of interesting plays. And with the news coming out today, again, the Donald Trump's project, World Liberty Fi, is continuing to stack their chips. And in particular, they're buying Ethereum. That tells me that Ethereum-based cryptos are still set to run. And if we take a look at, some of those Ethereum-based cryptocurrency projects, you've got SHIB at the top, you've got Pepe, you've got Brett on base, which is way down from its all-time high. Then outside the meme coin sector, of course, you got Lido DAO, Ethereum name service, Render, a lot of interesting plays, I think, in and around that Ethereum ecosystem that could yield some nice returns. So Trump's company, they're buying the dip today, right? They're not afraid. They're showing us that they're not afraid of this market pullback. They're continuing to stack Ethereum while everybody continues to FUD it. And listen, I've got my positions in other layer ones, right? I'm not all in on ETH. I'm not an ETH maxi by any means. I've got some Solana. I've got, obviously Cardano. I've been holding that one since, 2021. But I'm looking to make some plays right now because I have that big Cardano position. I'm looking to really beef up some of the other positions I don't have enough of. I continue to stack Ondo. I like Chainlink and AVAX as well, amongst many others. But those are just some things to think about, guys. Appreciate you all for watching the video. What I would tell you is, the crypto market's crazy. Don't let this get you out of sorts, out of whack. If you can afford it and you've got some cash on the sidelines, maybe look to add to some positions today. You want to buy on the red, sell on the green. That's the name of the game, right? If you don't have excess funds right now, what I would say, in my opinion, it's not the time to panic. It's not the time to run for the hills and sell for a loss. It's the time to just be patient. The market's choppy. It's very volatile right now. It's being manipulated a little bit until we really, get into the heat, I think, of this bull run where we're going to have an altcoin season. I can't tell you when. Nobody knows. And if somebody says it's going to happen tomorrow or the next day, they're just guessing. They might guess right, but nobody knows, right? We can't time the market, but it's about time in the market. And, I've been here almost 5 years now, and I've seen how this market moves. You just want to be in the game. You just want to be in the game, and you want to be following the top players, right? You want to be, following the best and biggest players out there. Right now, Donald Trump has more influence than anybody. I'm tracking this wallet of World Liberty Fi very closely. So we'll continue to do so, continue to give you guys great content. Appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to smash the like on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out.